Hello everybody. So a while back I did a film and it is premiering at a theater and I don't really know what to expect. All I know is it's the premiere and I'm really excited and really nervous. You guys can come along with me. Also, sorry, this is really bad quality. It's filmed on my phone. Hopefully for Christmas I'll get a camera. Also, if you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I just love to edit and it's really becoming like one of my passions because I know life gets hectic and life gets stressful, and for me, YouTube is always a place to go where there were people you can kind of see into their lives and relate to them, and YouTube has definitely helped me so much. Subscribe, and if you like watching my videos, like, let me know because it really makes me happy. Okay, well, bye, I'll see you. Okay guys, so this is the full look. I've never seen myself on like a movie screen, so this is really scary. This film was like over 2 or 3 years ago. I'm just nervous to see me. We're gonna get going.
So Maya, I'd love to hear what it was like for you as an actor. Techniques that you wanted to use to not get too personal. I don't know.
There was a lot of like
It's your real relationship.
tension.
That was a great movie.
Went to the premiere. It was just crazy to see like everyone on the big screen and the audience's reactions and everything, and we got to talk about our experience as you saw, and I heard my song and it was just so like surreal and crazy and fun. We saw the guy from Transformers, this guy from Dance with the Stars Juniors, and like all these like well-known people. There's so many like nice actors. After was a party near the theater near ABC Studios, so it was really cool. Then we just had dinner with some friends, and hope you enjoyed that. Busy, like, look at this guy. If you want to see more of these, please subscribe. I know last time I did one of these like behind the scenes thing, it was the Warner. I realized that was kind of boring, so, but this hopefully was more interesting.